This is Lee with Lord's Chimney. I wanted to discuss one thing this week, which is water leaks. We're supposed to have a wet week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all rain. So how do you know if you have a water leak? Because what we find is a lot of customers have no clue that they've had a water leak for lots of years. And by the time they figure it out, there's been a lot of damage done. So I wanted to go over today with let's make sure that we know exactly when your chimney is actually leaking. The thing to look for is different colors. So if you look at the outside of your chimney, do you see black mold? Do you see clean spots, dry spots? Does the mortar change colors? Looking for that kind of stuff will tell you, because if it's not a consistent color, often your chimney is leaking. So that's the time to call us so we can come up with a game plan and also inspect the inside of the fireplace to make sure nothing else is going wrong. So that's why it's extremely important to pay attention. Also, on the inside of your chimney, if you see white powder, you can even clean it off and it comes back and you have no clue where it's coming from, along the hearth area, sometimes around the floors. We've even seen it where customers have wood floors that buckle or tile that has a white powdery substance all over it, and customers often have no clue why that is happening. And the answer is it's a water leak. You may not even see water, but there is water there. If in where you put your fire, there's often bricks, that's called a firebox. If the mortar there starts to go away, if the bricks start to move, if they're colored weird, if there's any kind of white at all inside of it, that's the sign there is some kind of a water leak. And quite often, once again, you can't see it. So that's the time to call us. We do free water leak consultations. We'll come out, we'll figure out where the water leak's coming. We'll also try to figure out what damage it may have done over the years. So it's really, really important that you catch that stuff early. An early leak caught means, you know, a couple $100. We figure maybe some caulking, maybe some general maintenance stuff, kind of like changing the tires on your car, because there's some stuff on chimneys that's designed to fail over time. And the question is how long does it take you to figure out it's failed? That's where regular maintenance, yearly inspections, cleanliness necessary really, really helps, because then we can actually determine a little leak before it becomes a big problem. So from now on, look at the outside of your fireplace. Be very, very aware. If you hear moisture, if you hear rain dropping or dripping, call us. If you see weird colors that are not normal, if it's not a consistent color, call us. Because if you have a chimney problem, we have a chimney solution. Call us as soon as you can. Thanks.